So this car was speeding around my neighborhood. It's a 25 zone. He's doing like 50, full throttle. And then sploogied, his oil filter pops off and he dumps all his oil. He's in the left lane. Look at that. He's pulling G's, cutting it tight like he's on a racetrack. 50 miles an hour in a residential. R is for racetrack. No, it's for residential. There's his oil filter. It pops off. It's a parts master. It landed open side down, so it drained out a little bit of oil. Parts master number 61358. Probably looks like it's to a small car. But who knows these days, they do get pretty small. And I mean the filters get small even for good medium-sized engines. But anyway, so it's probably a small car. So anyway, oh look, check this out. Boom! Head-on collision right there, pal. Oil filter is usually either in the middle or on the right side of the engine. Never seen one on the left side of the engine, but it could be. But anyway, they'd still collide. 50 miles an hour, boom! Everyone's dead. Anyway, so he sploogies his oil out on his way to the light, which is always red. And for some reason, he thinks that running a red light after stopping and looking around to see the coast is clear is somehow so dangerous. But going around a blind turn at 50 in the left lane, oh, that's fine. So as you notice, he's almost out of oil. He sits here idling for a minute and a half, pumps the oil out, and then he goes. It's just a trickle. I followed this in the car, and that trickle only made it to the next light about 4/10 of a mile down the road, and then there's no more trickle. So I think he burned up his engine. Karma. Instant karma. So funny.